This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to add your signature to a PDF. First, let's understand why signing digitally is so useful. It speeds up document processing and reduces paper waste. Imagine signing an important contract or permission slip instantly without needing a printer or scanner. This simple skill can streamline your daily tasks, making digital paperwork much more manageable and efficient. Before adding your signature, you need to create a digital version of it. You have several options for this. You can simply draw your signature using a mouse, trackpad, or touchscreen directly within some applications. Alternatively, you might scan a handwritten signature from a piece of paper, saving it as a clear image file like a PNG. Another simple method involves typing your name in a stylish font, which many programs accept as a signature. Most people use Adobe Acrobat Reader, a free application for this task. Open your PDF document, then look for the Fill and Sign tool, usually found on the right-hand side panel. Click the Sign icon, then select either Add Signature or Add Initials. You can then choose to draw, type, or upload an image of your signature. Once created, simply drag and drop it onto the desired line in your document, adjusting its size for a perfect fit. If Adobe Acrobat isn't your preference, numerous other tools are available. Many free online PDF editors, such as Smalpt or DocuSign, offer straightforward web-based signature functions. You simply upload your document, add your signature, and then download the signed file. Mac users can conveniently sign PDFs directly using the built-in preview application. Even some web browsers now include basic PDF viewing and signing features, providing quick solutions for less complex documents.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.